Hey guys, it's Lisette. So it is week 10 here at Rico-Rio Piedras. And this week has been a very fun weekend because our boyfriend came down to visit. So we did the Rico-Rio mixology tour and that was fun. We got a free cute little welcome drink and a little cute commemorative cup that we get to keep. And we got to learn how to make a daiquiri, un mojito, y una cuba libre. So those are cool to learn how to make. It was fun. We really liked our tour guide, and the gift shop was really cute. But I definitely recommend eating a good breakfast before you go, especially if you have your tour at 11:30 in the morning. And then that same day, we also toured around San Juan, so I got to show him a bunch of stuff in this little area. And we also did a little boat tour to Culebra, one of Puerto Rico's smaller little islands, and we got to snorkel around there and go to the beautiful Flamenco beach. It's the #3 beach in the world. It's just that beautiful. So that was really fun, and we really enjoyed that, him especially. And I plan on going back there again in November with my friends, so that would be fun. And then we also went ziplining today, and we rode the Monster, the longest zipline in the Americas, second longest in the world. And we also did a little obstacle course around there. So it was really cool, except for the Monster almost gave me like a panic attack the first 10 seconds in, but I still loved it, and afterwards, like, when I got used to it, it was like a beautiful view. And then for this week, for like courses and like classwork, it was pretty fun. I did a lot of my homework early since I know I'd be hanging out with my boyfriend. But I can tell the next week is going to be pretty rough just because I have 3 exams and a presentation. But we're going to hope for the best, and I'll update you guys with that. So thank you for watching. I'll see you all next week.